Sneeze.
So that's the other thing that's good too, is like normally he doesn't even need a helping breath when he gets like shut down. And then now even the last like 2 or 3 days
You scared it out of her.
with it, like it's still, see, it's just still at 90 even with the more hot.
Well, they do that.
Right.
That was several yawns in a row. Making your eyes water. Making your eyes water. Huh, making your eyes water.